In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 AI tools that you can use and that can help you make your first $1,000 online with AI, even if you are a beginner. Now, these are pretty under the radar tools and you can use this technology to benefit you, not let it steal your job. And if you manage to stay till the end, I'm gonna show you one AI tool and a specific step-by-step method on how you can use it and make some serious gains with crypto. All right, let's dive into it. Now, the first tool is called Opus.pro. You're probably spending a certain amount of days scrolling through Instagram Reels or TikTok, even though you know that it's bad for you. So why not turn yourself from a consumer to a producer? With this tool, you can easily do it with literally no effort, and I mean it. With Opus, you can make short form clips that you can then upload to YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and get thousands of views literally with no effort. All you have to do to use it is find a video, copy the link, paste it in Opus, and it's going to automatically edit the video, find the best, most entertaining parts of the video, and also put captions on the video. So all that's left for you to do is just download the video and post it on your preferred social media platform. It uses AI technology to find the most entertaining part of the video and then even gives you a ranking score on how viral the video can go. Found out that this works really well with podcasts. You've probably seen a lot of these Joe Rogan or Jordan Peterson clips on TikTok, and now you know how you can make them with a couple of seconds of work. Now, obviously, some of the clips are going to be weird or out of context, but it doesn't matter because these days it seems like people are going to watch anything that is half it's interesting and has captions on it.
And let me show you the videos. They are really well edited. And now let me show you how it looks.
There's a lot of naughty, like the one thing that picked up big time during the pandemic was like stepbrother, stepsister porn, where they were pretending it's a stepbrother or a stepsister because people got like stuck in houses together.
Yeah, you can see videos like this and topics like this are definitely attention grabbing and they can go viral with millions of views. And all you have to do is just download the videos and you get like 30 of them right here. It's that simple.
All right, second tool, which is my most favorite one, is DID. Now with this tool, I mean it, creativity is going to be your limit. Maybe you've seen some talking head videos like these recently. They have been made by AI and I'm gonna show you exactly how. Now, for example, this page is relatively new and they were able to get over 350,000 followers and generate millions of views with this simple AI tool. And you want to know the best part? They charge $500 for a shout out. You sell 3 of those per week and that's already 1.5K in your pocket. And obviously with no work, because these videos take a couple of minutes to make. Now this is just one example, but you can literally make hundreds of videos in hundreds of niches, and as this content is unique and new, it's definitely going to go viral and blow up. And keep in mind that the most valuable thing with this is not just selling shoutouts, is the traffic, the eyeballs that you get on your page. Then you can use that and make some digital products or sell some affiliate products and make some easy money. All right, let me show you how you can make this.
All right, so first of all, let's actually get a quote that we will want for this man to say. Let's use this, for example, the book Richest Man in Babylon, which is a pretty cool book, and I think it would really suit for our old man. And in this example, we're gonna be making an old man giving some wisdom and life advice, so I think this book is really suitable. So I think I like the third one. Now we actually have to get the image of the man. And for this example, I won't go into Midjourney and create something completely new, which you can do. I will just go ahead to Midjourney, click here Explore, and type in old rich man portrait. You can type in any type of keywords. Now I think this dude looks pretty cool. It's a rich old buff guy. So let's take this one. Alright, so we got the image. Right now we can go into 11labs.io and I'm gonna show you how you can make a really deep, cool voice. Click add voice right here. Click add generative or cloned voice. Click voice design. Click male, old, British, and turn the accent to 200. And it's going to allow you to save the voice in your presets. Now let's just paste in the quote. I have it saved as a stoic voice. In voice settings, I usually like to turn down the stability so it sounds more natural, but there might be some glitches if you do it like that, so you can just generate multiple times and find a version that you really like.
Abundance does not come to those who simply wait, but to those who diligently invest their resources in fertile grounds.
Now I really like this take, so let's just download this. Now we can go to this website, did.com. Log in, you will be able to get a free trial. Click create video, click add, upload your portrait, click upload voice, upload the voice that you generated from 11 Labs. Now click generate video.
Abundance does not come to those who simply wait, but to those who diligently invest their resources in fertile grounds.
Now this looks pretty cool. I really like how this turned out. And this is also one thing that you can do with 11 Labs, but I'm gonna talk on that in another video.
Alright, that was simple, wasn't it? Let me know below in the comments if you would like to see a full tutorial on how I do it step by step, and also some cool, unique ways on how you can use this to make $100 per day. Alright, I'm pretty sure that you're familiar with Midjourney and how you can make some crazy images only with text input. We're gonna be using this tool to make some amazing designs and then sell them as digital products on Etsy, or even make print-on-demand items. For this method, I also recommend you to do a full research in Etsy and see what works the best right now and what type of digital products are selling currently. And then you can find something that you can easily replicate with AI and make even better, and here is your $1 million idea. Keep in mind that the more niched down you go, the more untapped product ideas you're gonna find, and thus be able to make more sales. You can use the help of ChatGPT to make you prompts that you can put into Midjourney and then make some amazing designs, put them onto t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, bags, whatever, and then put them up for sale on Etsy. For this video, I'm going to show you something a bit different and a specific niche that you can go into and look into. I'll show you how to make seamless digital patterns so other people can buy it and use it for their own products. This one account, for example, is only selling digital paper designs and has made over 75,000 sales. Now, let me jump into Midjourney and show you exactly how you can do this.
So first, let's ask ChatGPT what are some popular paper crafting design trends to sell on Etsy. You can see a bunch of ideas right here. That's floral designs, watercolor designs, and geometric patterns seem to be pretty popular. So let me go ahead and make some floral designs. Now you want to go into Midjourney, and once you join Midjourney, click one of these newbie rooms, type /imagine, and type in your prompt. For me, it's floral watercolor design, dreamy, green dominant. And if you don't want some weird bordering around the edges so that you can easily repeat the pattern, type -- tile. Alright, so here we have some designs. I really like the first and the second one. So let's make an upscaled version of the first one and the second one as well. I think the second one is a bit more unique, so let's go ahead and save this image. And now what we want to do is go to this website called rapper.app. With this tool, we're going to be able to easily repeat the pattern, so we don't have to do it manually. So let's go ahead, click add image, upload image. Let's upload our design. Here we can see how the design looks when it is repeated. We can drag it out and experiment on how it looks. For this one, I'm just going to use the regular octagon one, but you can experiment and play around with these a lot. Now once you go to export, click on custom, the size is... So for Pinterest, you want to put repeat 3 and inches, 12 by 12, and the dpi must be 300. Now let's go ahead and export this. Now if we go to Canva, we can find a bunch of Etsy banners, and if you click on one of them, you can actually use these templates and make a cover for your Etsy store. Now let's take this for example, and here in these frames you can put your designs and make a cool banner for your Etsy store. I don't have Canva Premium, so I'm not going to show you exactly how to do it, but it's really straightforward and you can find some tutorials on YouTube as well.
Now, before I show you the bonus tool that you can use to make profitable trades with crypto, please go ahead, smash the like button, and also subscribe if you enjoy this video. That is the only thing that I ask from you. Thank you so much. Now, the last AI tool is called Browse.ai. It is a Google Chrome extension that can monitor new updates on websites or any changes on a website. You can use this for LinkedIn, news articles, or anything where you want to stay up to date. But for this example, I'm going to show you how to use it with crypto and track crypto whales. Now, for example, this huge account bought a bunch of Joe tokens on March 17th. And after he did that purchase, the price of the tokens literally skyrocketed. Now, it's obvious that these big traders know something that we don't, so why not go ahead and tap in some of their information? And with this tool, we can easily do that. So let me show you how to set it up.
Now let me show you how you can actually set everything up, and you will get email notifications when there are any changes in this person's wallet address. So first you have to find the wallets that you want to target. So first option that you can do is find wallets on Twitter and find some whales on Twitter that you can go ahead and monitor. Or you can also go directly to DBank, click here more, and click on whales. Now this is obviously the top section, probably not the best one to look at, but if you go down a couple of pages, you can even write here like 2000, and this is going to bring you approximately to 170 million net worth. You click on any of these and click on transactions, and you will see all of the recent transactions this person has made. So now let me show you an example on how you can actually set this up. So first thing you want to do is obviously install the browse.ai extension, and right here where it says monitor website changes, copy the link, paste the link right here, click start recording. Okay, understood. And right here it is going to open up a brand new window with this little robot looking at what you are doing. Now let's go ahead and set some record menu. So capture text, click on this, and now you can go ahead and just capture, for example, this, capture visible text. Next would be this one as well. Click enter. You can type trade 1. So what you want to do is click on this little robot right here and capture text, visible text, HTML. Click on this. Now the next one, click capture visible text. Now this is the next one, capture visible text. Now click enter. Trade 1, for example. Trade 2, trade 3. Now you can do this obviously for the next 5 trades. Starting from the top is the most recent trades, and at the bottom the older trades. I'm just going to do for the 4 most recent trades right now. Once you click this, you can see that you can click finish recording, and now this is going to send you updates every time there are changes on the latest trades right there. Run every day. If you're on the free version, you can't click run every minute, although you can get updates every minute. So if you're trying to do this for day trading or really fast trading, this can also help you. But if you're on the free version, you can only get once per day, but this should be enough for some slower trading and just seeing, which items, which cryptos to buy. And yeah, click on Monday, Tuesday, around any time, and notify me by email. Click save, and you are good to go. Now you will get an email every time there is some update in these trades.
Alright, if you enjoyed these AI tools and if you're gonna try them out, please let me know in the comment section below, and you can even message me on Instagram @Servios if you need any help. If you want to learn more about these AI business ideas and how you can be more productive with AI, scroll below in the description and subscribe to Bite-Sized Benefit. It is my personal newsletter where I'm gonna send you out 1 quality email per week showing you some new AI side hustle ideas or some productivity hacks that you can use. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.